The SAAB Turbo is a customer's car in for full restoration. So lots of work being done on this project. It was in a very sorry state when it arrived at Fostering Classics, and we're just methodically going through repairing any corrosion that's been present on the vehicle, and also it's also had a front suspension rebuild as well, including brakes, and all the suspension bushes have been changed as well. The engine had done 220,000 miles, so the decision was made to fully recondition this engine. So it's partially built at the moment. We're fitting new forged pistons, slightly oversized pistons because the block has been bored out because there was a slight lip at the top of the cylinder. So that's had to be had corresponding larger pistons. And now we're just going through the rebuild process, so I'm just actually waiting for some new piston rings to arrive before we can get the final piston in. The gearbox, there were no problems with the gearbox on this car, so it's really just being cleaned. It's got a new clutch cylinder and new clutch, but really that was just a case of cleaning. The cylinder head is down there, that's all been rebuilt as well at the engine machining shop, so that's ready to be fitted back in the car. And all the ancillaries for the engine are all cleaned, prepared and ready to go back in. So as soon as the engine's complete, then the rebuild of the front of the car will commence to bring it back to original condition, if not better in some cases.